Right there. That's where it's going to go, right there. Welcome back, guys. Another episode of RFO. Got this new Patagonia sticker on my rod case. Not like being sponsored by Patagonia or anything. I just got the sticker, so I wanted to put it on. And I think because I started filling up this thing, with all kinds of stickers, so I guess now I gotta fill up this guy. I got this one on the other side too, this one. This is what I always put all my rods and stuff in. I guess I'll just start using this to fill up stickers because I always find myself with a ton of stickers and nowhere to put them, so I guess this is the new spot. Anyways, guys, today we're actually going to be doing a little review on this Diawa D-Shock. Personally, it's okay. I mean, we'll get into it a little bit here, but I think it's under like 50 bucks, and personally I think it's one of the best rods you could buy for the money. So we're gonna look into that a little bit today, and I'll just do a kind of a little in-depth review. That way you guys kind of know what you're getting before you buy it. I'm not even sure if they sell these anymore. It was so hard to find like specs online and stuff. Like I couldn't even find the gear ratio for the reel. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. We'll get in the other room over there, and we'll do a little review. So I think the first place we should start is the rod. The rod is what I'm most impressed about. For a $50 rod and reel combo, I think this is fantastic. It's a 7-foot. Again, like I said earlier, I couldn't find any specs on this stuff, so I'm assuming it's a medium light action. Again, I have no idea. This is an assumption, no clue. I know for sure it's a 7-foot because it says right there. But other than that, I don't know what the action is. I don't know any of that stuff. I couldn't find it on the internet, and it doesn't say on the rod, so we're going by assumptions. It is a 2-piece rod, so you can kind of fold it up, put it in your trunk or whatever when you're pond hopping or whatever you got going on. But when I was first using it, I used to just throw on like a really big heavy spinner bait. I used to go to a pond with a friend and like just throw heavy spinner baits around, and it threw them really well. But at the same time, you can also like, you know, use a drop shot or something on this, and it works fantastic. Right now, I have super heavy line on here, and I honestly have no idea why. I think I have like 20-pound line on here, or maybe it's 18 or something. I don't remember, but I would definitely recommend like somewhere in like the 8 to 15-pound range. 20 is just way too heavy for this, and you're gonna get a lot of tangles like I currently do. But yeah, 8 to 15-pound line is perfect. I would definitely recommend mono. That's the only thing I've ever put on this rod, and I think it works the best. I don't know, with spinning combos and spinning reels, I think monofilament is just the way to go. I think braid just tangles way too much. The grip is grippy. Yeah, the grip is good. It's got some foam on there. My foam is pretty much hard packed now. The rod is really strong too. For being like under 50 bucks, I can't believe how strong this rod is. It's really nice. I'm not a fan of like these designs on here. I don't really know what that is. It's like some kind of like 90s like hot rod like flame stuff. I have no clue. And it's weird because it's like you got like this like 90s hot rod stuff going on, and then you have like this kind of like, I don't know, this reminds me of like some like Asian kind of like writing type of deal. It's just like two like different styles mixed together. It's just some weird shit, to be honest with you. I don't know. It's the colors are cool, you know, black and red, but the aesthetics are just kind of weird. So if that doesn't bother you, then sure, like, you know, whatever, it doesn't matter. I guess you just put a black electrical tape over this if you really wanted to. Let's go ahead and get in the reel. The reel is a 3000 size, and again, I couldn't find much information on the reel. I couldn't find the gear ratio, and I thought that was kind of surprising because that's kind of a big deal, you know, depending on what you're fishing for, you want to know the gear ratio. So, I don't know, this gear ratio could be anything, to be honest, but it is a 3000 size reel, so that's some information. The reel is really strong. I haven't had any problems with it, but it just feels cheap. The drag feels pretty good. The reel itself is kind of made out of like a lot of cheap metal, it seems like cheap aluminum maybe, and maybe some plastic. I don't know. I feel like that could go wrong somewhere. Inside the reel there are 4 ball bearings. The thing is, I've always said is it doesn't necessarily matter how many ball bearings are in a reel, as long as they're quality. What I'm assuming they did was they put fewer in and just put better bearings in. I'm hoping, I don't know. I could be wrong. So there are 4 ball bearings. You know, usually you kind of want a little more, but it doesn't matter to your average fisherman fisherman or beginner fisherman, no, it really doesn't. The reel feels good. Overall, it feels good. It does feel cheap. It's a strong reel, so it matches the rod. Overall, I'd probably give this rod like a 6 or 7 out of 10. I think it is like one of the best spinning combos you can pick up for under 50 bucks. Great for beginners, absolutely great. This was actually my first spinning combo. One of my buddies got me into, you know, this kind of fishing and bait casting, and he, you know, kind of convinced me to buy one of these because I was always using one of his rods, and so I think he got a little irritated. But yeah, I'm so glad he convinced me to get one of these because that got me into this to kind of what I'm doing now. But anyways, for beginner fishermen, I think this is a fantastic buy. Just, you know, just keep in mind that it might feel a little cheap, but I don't think that reflects on its performance per se. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It seems like you guys like this a lot, like these kind of reviews. You know, I've done gun reviews, I've done, you know, rod and reel reviews. I'm gonna for sure do more in the future because these always get a lot of views, a lot of likes, a lot of comments. People can ask questions, I can answer them because, you know, sometimes I don't get everything in the video. So, but it does seem like you guys like these a lot, so I'll continue to do them for sure. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, and once I do, I'll be doing a little giveaway on one of these hats. But yeah, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Any questions, I'll try to answer them. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.